We sell this in full bundles only, and you're going to need to bring a trailer or a heavy pickup truck, but it's going to be worth your while. We encourage you to come down, take a look at this wood. You will not be disappointed in what you find for your ranch and farm. Thank you. I'll show you our farm and ranch lumber. We pull this selectively for corrals, for stalls, horse stalls. Also, it's extremely good for building any type of sheds, horse barns, cattle barns on the farm and ranch. This stuff is all kiln dried. The wonderful thing about it is it's 1 5/8 thick, where if you go to any lumber yard, the best you're going to do is 1.5 inches, 9/16. Most of it is primarily, if you look here, it's primarily 16 foot, and it is a full rough sawn 1 5/8 thick. We encourage you to stop down. It's full bundles only, primarily Douglas fir, the strongest West Coast wood you can get. So please stop in. Our prices are on Craigslist.